Howdy, howdy. We're on our first trip away in a long time. We've just got to our new pad and we're here at the lake. Laid out at the lake. Got the boys out here with the toys. One jet ski. Koro got his jet ski. And obviously I sold my jet ski, unfortunately. Perfect time to have it. But it is what it is. Hey, Jordiako.
That's right, boy. Yes, we got the third one there.
Oh yeah.
Boat in the shed.
Got another jet ski there. The pad. We are on. All the snacks. Oh, hi. Quick stop to the bottle and the bender starts. So it's January 3rd and Edu said 2020 he's quitting drinking. And here we are.
Peer pressure. I got proof to say he's not. He's gonna be a doughboy, he reckons. EB.
So we're just waiting for Gaza. He's on the way. Arriving late. Anyway, it's the next morning. We're here for the whole weekend. I don't think I mentioned where we are. We're in Lake Rotoiti.
You want some sausages baked?
Hey? Yeah, ball bag. Edu, where are we?
Rotoiti.
Yeah, that's the one. Not Rotoiti. And we're just sparking up the barbie to have some breakfast. We got some hashies, we got some bacon, we got some eggs. We on.
Yeah.
We're all on.
Jared's fry pan on the barbecue.
We're just waiting for Razi to come out. It's a bit chilly at the moment, but he's coming. Look at that. The lake's ready to be hissed on. Hiss. Not bad. Good feed.
Hash brown's bit broken. Not bad.
Can't. The man.
The sun's coming out.
Razi's coming out. Edu.
What?
The man of few words.
What do you want?
As soon as the camera comes out, doesn't talk.
What do you
But when the camera's off, talk shit.
Whole time.
We
got the old mouldy Fisher and Michael.
The mouldy Fisher and Michael.
Oh boy, this walking is no good. Fuck, we've been walking for ages. These boys are about to cark it. Nah, Sri Manu off there, I reckon. Paddle, boys, paddle. Man overboard. Under toe, you reckon?
Easy man, sorry.
Where? Show me under toe.
Life jacket.
There ain't no under toe there.
Who cracks me up?
Easy. We on.
Manus, on. Look, people jump out over there too.
We get it, you dose. Right, we're about to go out on the water for the first time. It's not that hot, but hopefully she should be right. We're out here doing it. What? We got smoko, we got beers, jet skis are here, Cordell's down here. I think he's caught a marlin. There he is. He's got something big.
Or is he playing with himself?
I don't know. Gazabee's fighting somewhere. Just need to find the manu spots around here. But she's bloody good out.
Hot with a beach.
360 cam, brother. We're going 4 around who? We're on here. This is a posse. Woo, manu spot. Boys are jumping out from the tree there. She's nice and warm.
Unreal rough out there.
Just tell me what you digging. 'Cause baby, I wanna feel the heat on your skin. Every day my feels so straight.
Yo!
This is some insane cliff jumping. Holy shit. This is hectic, it's so rough, but such a sick spot. It's so warm. We made it. That was the wildest ride I've ever had on a jet ski, 3 up. Didn't record the trip back because it was that bad, but the waves were huge. I don't know how we didn't come off. I think it's just lucky that we all know how to ride a jet ski properly and we were balancing so hard, trying not to fall off. I'm sore, I'm really sore. My core and my arms are sore from trying to hold on. But that was a wicked trip. Jumping off the cliff was sick. Oh. Our man's backing into the woods.
Fuck, I'm lucky. This cunt's the wrong way.
What's he doing? Sir! Sir, bitch, you're supposed to back into the water. Boy. Oh, you're too deep. Go up. Yes, the nose is under.
Big minute they suck, mate.
Bit more. Yep. Nah, more. Keep going. Heaps more. Yep. Limiter. Right, lads. We're here at the Luge. We only just got off the jet skis. The Luge. And there's gonna be some crashes. Someone's gonna get fucked up, and it's not gonna be me.
Someone up. I don't care who it is, who they are. It's not bigger than me.
Right, we're out. Let's go.
Scared.
We're going, no?
Been on here plenty of times, Sonny Jim.
Oh.
Okay.
What is it, Corey?
A deer's.
A deer. Go, shoot it. Go.
Top.
Fuck you. Fellow.
Are you afraid of heights, Eden?
What are you afraid of, Edu? Ta-ta. Grow me pubs. Ta-ta. Go on, let's slingshot up, Vicky.
Send you up to space, boy.
Send you to Rosie.
Fuck, that'll be a cracker.
What?
My brother Rosie. Heaps people here, eh?
About our fucking lids.
Chalmies. Over here. Are you a local? Intermediate? Advanced? We on? The one with the jump? Manami.
First ride today.
Hey!
You gotta go on the fuck.
We out. I nearly came off. I didn't think it was so unbalanced around the corners. I was like, whoa.
I was expecting one of you Pokemon to overtake me, but...
Oh, and I was trying to hold this, it was so hard. Check the view out. You're right there, dude.
Fuck, this is good fun, man.
Heaps good.
Fuck, I feel sorry for the tourists, eh?
They just get dusted. So there's this, some lady in front of Caudle.
She's up there on that fucking other one.
And Caudle just goes steaming into her. The ground shot. Well, that's our 5 runs done. Caudle got absolutely dusted. Ripped a hole in his pants. He's sore. He reckons his leg's bruised.
He went flying,
got
bro.
tossed off into the woods. So now he's got to go to the first aid.
Being a bull.
The dust up station over here. And I dropped the GoPro and Gazza swooped it up going about what 40 k's.
Just something like that. Just saw it.
Lucky. Grazed his hand.
Anything. Just my thumb. It's all good.
Oh, good times. Not a bad session if you will. Did you get dusted?
Not me.
He got some.
Windy ako.
How's it? Had to get my Wendy's fixed, you know. An old baconator.
Only one that gets Wendy's.
I'm still having pizza as well.
Oh, okay.
This is just morning tea.
Difficult.
And how many burgers did you get? One. That was a long time for one burger.
You already smashed one in there, eh?
No.
Oh, nice. Free steel chainsaw with Mickey Thompson's.
Back there.
Yeah.
Oh,
And you're losing me.
we're all crook.
Fucking sick, mate.
Everyone's sick from rhythm. It was a hell of a bendy.
I see a bendy, mate. Fuck, we were there till nearly the sunrise.
Yeah.
What time did we leave? Like 5?
Yeah.
Fuck, that was heat.